how to start dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can start dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what is Facebook dropshipping, or what is dropshipping in general? Well, let me just show you with this drawing over here. So for example, let's say there is a customer, there's you, and there's a supplier, right? So let me just make a small little triangle to show you what I mean, right? So let's just take this triangle for example, right? So over here, this is how it basically is. So you have your customer, which is connected to you, and you have yourself, and you are connected to the supplier, and then the supplier is connected to this customer. Now how does this work? Basically, let's say that you have a product, right? Let's say a customer has, right? Let's say you've added a product onto your website or on a certain marketplace, and that product is selling for, let's say, $200, right? And the customer pays you $200, right? Now, what do? You take that money, right? And you give it to the supplier, right? And the supplier is going to give that product to the customer. But the only difference is that the product that the supplier has is only for $100. So a cheaper product of the same, right? So, and then you are going to give the supplier $100. Basically, you are going to be purchasing it, but you are going to be adding the details of the customer. So basically, the customer is going to buy that product for $200. He or she is going to give you their number, their address, where to ship, and all of that. You're going to take that information, give it to the supplier, and give him $100, and then the supplier is going to ship that product thinking that it is you, but he's going to be sending that product to the customer. Very simple. Oh, what's this? So basically, he is going to be sending that product to the customer, and boom, that is basically how it is. So that's like the love triangle of dropshipping. Customer buys the product from you for 200 or 100. You then purchase that product from the supplier for a lower cost, and then the supplier ships that product to the customer. Easy peasy, right? That's how it is, and that's how it works. So basically, that is the formula we're going to be applying on the Facebook Marketplace over here, as you can see. So at first, it was very difficult. At first, you couldn't possibly dropship on Facebook Marketplace, because at first you would have to first purchase the product, go to the seller, give him the money, and take the product, like physically. But in dropshipping, you can't do that, because in dropshipping, you are hands off on the product. You're just like becoming the middleman between the customer and the supplier, and you're connecting them together by taking a small fee, right? You can also interpret it that way. But now, after like 2 or 3 years later, Facebook has now made a change into the marketplace, and you can now actually ship products as well. So it is possible to drop ship products. So let me just show you how. So over here, let's say all these different products, right? So as you can see, some of these products have delivered to you, which means that we don't actually have to go and get this product physically. The seller is going to ship that product to us, which is pretty amazing. Now you can go ahead and put out, take your product from anywhere around the world, any good marketplace. So as you can see over here, like this book, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 offers of the same products. There's $9, $16, $8, $12. There's another one, $18, $16, $20, $12. Like all these products, it indicates that this product is not their own. They are basically drop shipping that product. Same over here with this one, Spincast fishing reel, Spincast fishing reel. We have another rod over here. So as you can see, like this is an indicator that this product is being shipped. So this is like drop shipping. So as you can see, people are drop shipping on Facebook, and which means that we can do as well. Not a lot of people know about this, or even if they do, they don't find the time to do it, because it's not that easy. But it is pretty easy once you get into it. It's not that difficult as much as people think it is. So how do you basically do it? Well, next step for us to do is just simply find a product and then just sell it over here. So first, let me just show you. So if I come over here onto the left side, we will have the option create new listing, right? So we simply click on create new listing. We say item for sale, vehicle for sale, or property or sale, rent, or whatever. We're going to select item for sale. And then over here, we're going to be adding all of the information. So next, you can just simply come over here onto Walmart or any other supplier, and you can get the product from them as well. Now, even though drop shipping directly from Walmart is not allowed, they don't allow that, and once you've caught, they're gonna ban you forever. So it's better to find some other place. But there's also a section on Walmart which has like wholesale rates. Now you can technically sell wholesale items onto different marketplaces in the form of drop shipping, so that's not illegal. That's possible, so you could do that. Or you can go ahead and find some other places as well, like Etsy or eBay, or maybe even, you know, AliExpress, but it all depends on you, right? If you're planning on shipping to the US, then there's a couple of drop shippers like CJ Dropshipping, right? Like that's another drop shipper that is very, very awesome, and it works very well with US because of its low shipping time and shipping method. So basically they give you a bunch of shipping methods over here. As you can see, you have DHL, Jewel Shipping, CJ Shipping, CJ Packet. We have a bunch of different ones that have different days and times and different costs. So you can go ahead and choose whichever one you want depending upon which product you have, and then you can sell them online, and a pretty amazing drop shipping website as well. So over here, as you can see, you have recommended products for e-commerce platforms. So you have TikTok, Amazon, Etsy, eBay, Walmart, even WooCommerce. So you can go ahead and sell them over there as well. It's pretty amazing, and it's really, really simple. Let's say we have, you know, jewelry and watches. Let's go over here. All right, let's say we have like the notorious RBG, right? So we say that we want to drop ship this item. Like, this is just an example, but you know, you can go ahead and do that. Then all you would have to do is just simply download the image, get all the information from over here, and you are good to go. Like, we can even download the image by clicking on this button right here. Simply click on the button and you can go ahead and download the image. There we go, the image has been downloaded. Let's go ahead and open up this folder, and we'll extract the files here. There you go, we have all the files. Next, all that's left for us to do is come over here onto the Facebook marketplace. We just simply have to upload the photos. Let's say this is the product that we want to sell. We upload all the photos over here. Title is going to be similar to this one, Ruth Badger RGB stainless steel keychain, right? We add that, and the price over here, it's going to indicate us the price over here. So the process time is 1 to 3 days, and the weight is this one, SKU, thin, metal, whatever. So currently the total amount is over here for drop shipping is 2.70. The product is $1. Service fee is going to be 25 cents, and it's pretty simple. Next, all you have to do is just choose the shipping method. So we have a bunch of different ones. If you jewel shipping, it's going to be like 15 to 20 days. 10 to 18 days are over here. 8 to 16 days for this one. And the total shipping cost is going to be $4 to $5. So if you choose this one, then the total cost is going to be $5 to $6. And then you can upload the price according to that. Let's say maybe $8 or maybe $9, depending upon what you are. And since this is in jewelry and accessory, we do that. The condition is going to be new, and then we can add the description by copying the description over here. We copy the description, we come over here and we paste it, and we are good to go. Then we add in other you know, options, like this says materials. What is the material of this necklace? Material is metal, and then we just simply add in there is no material for metal, but we'll just say it's brass. And then we can add the title. SKU number is going to be provided over here. Just copy that, paste that over there, and then you add in the location where you want, where is this product or stuff like that, and then you are good to go. Then you can just simply click on next, and then you can just simply click on publish, and your product will be published. So pretty simple. That's how you do it. You find different marketplaces online. You find different products that you think are pretty cool and people would like to buy that product. And then you can just go ahead and put a listing on it, and as soon as you get a order of the product, you take that info, you go over to the website where you found that product, you enter in the all the information that the customer has given you, and then you ship the product to them, and then you give them the time, like it's going to take a week, 2 weeks, whatever the time it takes, and then you are good to go. So pretty simple. That is it. That is how you do drop shipping on Facebook Marketplace. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.